Eat like a king who's on a budget. 3 tasty options, fries, drink, and nuggets, all for $5. Wait, that can't.
The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay, Ruskin has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Manatee County in West Central Florida, Northwestern Sarasota County in West Central Florida, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sarasota, St. Armand's Key, Southgate, South Sarasota, Ridgewood Heights, North Sarasota, Southgate Ridge, Kensington Park, Sarasota Springs, Sarasota Bradenton Airport, Gulfgate Estates, The Meadows, Lake Sarasota, Bradenton Beach, DeSoto Lakes, V Ridge, Fruitville, Turtle Beach, Vamo and Bayshore Gardens. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Me my whip, boy.
No, dang it, Dad, you're out of control. There is no mystery. I just